Hello everyone, thanks for watching the video. So today we're in the back seat of a 1997 Toyota Tercel. So for the 2 or 3 people that need to change their map light, this video may be helpful to you. So here is a look at the, I think I might have said map light, but dome light on the Tercel. And there's a lens right here we have to get off. I don't really see any perfect place to put a screwdriver to pry this off. I don't want to break this outer trim here. I don't want to break the lens itself. Let's take another look at it. So here's a look at the front. I think that would be a better place to go in at. Get that cover off. I'm just going to go for it here. I've got a spatula, like a cake spatula. Let's go in right here. Oh, that was easy. So easy. And as you can see, there's no bulb in there. Looks like there is probably some corrosion here. We should probably buff that off. Let's put this in the off position. It's best to pull the fuse for this. Look at that, that's kind of rusted there. Best to pull the fuse. And I'm just going to take some steel wool, go for it, and just clean in here. Oh, shit. Alright, that fell out. I need to grab that. I'm using 4/0 steel wool. I really need something a little more abrasive than that. Alright, also I think they may have been flattened so much that it's not really getting contact, so I may get my knife and kind of pull them down just a little bit. Alright, much better. See the lever here? There's a little spring right there. That was way deep in there. And I don't think it was really pushing the little ball up enough to make continuity. So I flexed it out a little bit, and the ball is going to sit on top. So you got to be very careful putting it in, because it's going to sit on top like that far. And we'll put the screw in. And once it starts touching its position, it will, it will go down a little bit farther. We've got our Sylvania bulbs. That's the number. It's always packs of 2. Always we'll try to save the second one, but I lose it all the time. So I'll probably put this somewhere, maybe in the trunk. Alright, so yeah, you can use gloves, not touch the bulbs, or you can do like I do and use no gloves. Okay, bulb is back in place. Now we're putting our negative cable back on the battery. So what we're going to do now is just put this in place, and off is straight ahead. So let's see, just line up our hole, screw hole, and put the screw in. So we're in the off position. I went ahead and connected the battery. There we go, perfect. Be careful not to tighten it too much because it will strip it out. All right, now let's put the lens back on. All right, the lens just goes into the slots, 2 slots on the side here. Should snap in place now. All right, what's going on? There we go, perfect. Okay, so we're in the off position. Got the door, and then on. Very sensitive. I'm just going to be leaving it in the door position. Okay, and let's close the door. All right, very good. So that's going to be it for this Tercel. Let's open it and see what happens. Yeah, dome light, 97, Toyota Tercel. Thanks for watching the video. Until next time, guys, have a nice day and take care.